Okay, this is a beautiful and well-made all stainless steel espresso machine. We are making a cappuccino. We are using as you can see, it works pretty well. The milk is really boiling. And there is your coffee. That's the power button that you turn on and off. Then this one is to make one coffee. This one is to make the 2 cups of coffee. And this is to use the steam nozzle. So you just touch whatever you need. This part here, you can use it to put your coffee cups after you finish drinking your coffee. That is the water tank. You need to remove this before you start using it. If not, it's not gonna work, so keep that in mind. It's removable, so you can clean it, and then you open it from here and put the water in there. Nice and beautiful espresso machine.
Ladies and gentlemen of Amazon, do not buy this piece of crap machine. Save yourself the money. Get yourself something better. Do not buy this bargain machine. It is showing E3. I've had it since last May. You cannot get rid of this code. It will not work unless you bring it in for maintenance. So with that being said, the company itself is really, really hard to get a hold of. Save yourself the headache. Do not buy this thing. Don't invest in it. It's not going to last. It's just a piece of garbage. I should have got a Breville when I had the chance. Now I have to do that, plus lose $178. Please, take this advice. Steer clear of this machine.
And getting the fresh grass really increases the chlorophyll in their diet and gives us beautiful dark yolked eggs that are nutritionally dense and delicious.
The only relief is in the water with the morning coffee. Right, Violet? Hey, Violet. Hi, Chupava. Hi, Chupava.
Mira el tablero de frente, estamos tratando de prenderla. Ahí prendió, se demora, bueno. Como que le gusta en la cámara. It probably has a chemical smell to it as well.